In this video, I'm going to quickly share with you Merge Digest 30. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money in life fast and easy. In this video, I want to give you some quick niches that you can focus. These niches are coming directly from Vexels. I talk a lot about Vexels on this channel. Vexels is my number one go-to graphic design website whenever it comes to designing or downloading already made designs. So I highly recommend that you check out Vexels. There's a link in the description below. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So it's Merge Digest 30, and here's what Vexels is recommending we do. So it says in this month's guide, we'll take a look at a few merge hacks and ideas to keep you productive throughout the year. So this one is February's merge digest, and it says to come up with awesome designs, the Vexels marketing team studies and analyzing weeks after weeks at best performing content and keeps tabs on the latest merch news, bestsellers, and all the like. So they're just basically telling us what to do. Let's get down to the content for today's video. It says what's working best for Q1: cats and dogs, anime love, patterns, unicorns, gaming, skulls, and retro vintage. They say while most of these niches are high competition, they are still profitable when tackled with the right strategy. And that's what I always talk about. Whenever it comes to print on demand, even though some niches are competitive, especially if you're in lower tiers, I would recommend that you drop down your prices to the least price, that's no royalty, which is 1307. If you're uploading to the basic shirt, so the city strategy will mainly rely on your ability to research for long tail, low competition keywords in these trends and design accordingly. So here's how I go about searching for long tail, low competition keywords. So let's take, for example, you go on Amazon and you're searching for, or you're doing research, and maybe you're doing research on a cat shirt. I just typed in cat shirt and it gave me 2,000 results. So what you want to do is you want to niche down. So you can do, for example, funny cat shirt. And if you click enter, you will see that the results has jumped to 890. So that's step number one. Step number two is going down to the keywords. So these first t-shirts here, you can see that they are on this first page for a reason. So what you want to do is go to the first results or the first listings. You need to take note of the ones that are merged by Amazon. If you see Prime there, you know it is merged by Amazon or Prime eligible, which is produced by merged by Amazon. So I'm using the extensions produced by merged by Amazon. I know someone asked this question the other time. So here are the extensions I use, and they are the ones responsible for giving me the best-selling rank, which is this rank right here, including these results right here. So as you can see below, it shows you all keywords, focus keywords, and long tail keywords. So the keywords you want to focus on is this ones right here, the long tail keywords. So that is what Merge Digest is trying to tell us, that although these niches might be saturated or very competitive, the best way to tackle these niches is to, first of all, niche down to something much more friendly. The second step is to find long tail, low competitive keywords. So, like I said before, here's how I find long tail keywords, but you should be careful because most of these keywords have the names of the brand owners. For example, Ann Arbor T-shirt. Ann Arbor T-shirt is the name of a brand. If you scroll up here, you will see that the brand is Ann Arbor T-shirt. So when you're looking at these long tail keywords, you need to be careful that you don't include the name of the brand because that will be infringing on the brand's right. So something like Purito or Cat, it's safe. Then safe chemistry, forward thinking. If you're not sure, you should come to all the keywords. All the keywords is a burrito, cat burrito, funny, Mexican food, kitty, salsa, guacamole, kitten, takeaway t-shirt, visit. No, you should take away t-shirt, visit, and harbor. So that's how I get it. So if you want to list, well, what I do is I just come here and click it, and it's gonna copy all the keywords to my listing, then I can paste it in my listing tool. I use two listing tools. First one is Flying Upload. There's a link in the description. If you want to check it out, you can use the code Vanessa10 for a 10% discount. The second tool I used is by Merch Informer. POD Connect 2 is by Merch Informer. So both of these tools are the ones I use to list my products or my designs on Merch by Amazon. So what I do is I just copy it and paste it on the tool and upload the design to Amazon. Upload automation. So that's basically how I do it. Let's go back to Merch Digest. So merch hack, evergreen size. So here's a merch hack. One of the most popular merch topics you see around the most is long discussed issue of evergreen versus seasonal niches. So actually, I would like to know what you guys think. Do you guys think that evergreen is the best or seasonal is the best, or do you do both? So let me know down in the comment section below which you think is the best. It says, let's get out of the way. Both strategies are good. There you go. It's just that some are better than others in different parts of the year. But wait, there's more. What if you could go one step further and draw even more juice from a seasonal concept? So before I go on reading, let me tell you what I do. Whenever there's a trend or something, I go in for it. That's basically how I tear up. The strategy I use to tear up. When there's a trend, I go for the trend. And when there's no trend, I go for my regular niches, which is the evergreen niches. So they say, let's think St. Patrick's Day, for example, while the holiday is just one day, you can further extend its concepts into more year-long messages and designs like Irish Pride, Party Fun, Green Lock, etc. This can be done for pretty much any other of the holidays and special dates of the year. So what that basically saying is that although St. Patrick's Day is just one day in a year, you can extend or expand on this niche by including other keywords like Irish Pride, Party Fun, Green and Luck. So people keep on buying the t-shirts all year round if it relates with what they are looking for example, luck or pride or Irish pride or things like that. So they say being able to be flexible and adapt to ideas like this will help you reach your next level. Pick on the next 3 holidays in your calendar and make a one word per line list of the concepts from that holiday that you can turn into new designs. Something like this: Halloween, horror, night, scare, monster, street. So let me show you exactly what I do. For example, if I want to download a design like this, I'm on Vexels.com. I'm just going to click on it. And when you get on the landing page like this, you're going to see t-shirt, woman, empowerment, power, feminism, and more. So these are the keywords that they're talking about. If you include this kind of keywords on this word, people who are searching for these different keywords will likely to buy this design over and over again. So that's what they're trying to explain here. Make a one word per line list of concepts from the holiday that you can turn into new designs. So from this design right here, you can turn this design to a woman, empowerment, power, feminism, and things like that. So in the case of Halloween, they chose horror, night, scare, monsters, and treats. So it's basically keywords, what they're trying to say. Then they say, let us know how you did. So moving on to March niche opportunity dates. There's March 1st, Barista Day, March 7th, Plant Power Day, March 19th, World Sleep Day, March 25th, Waffle Day, March 4th, Grammar Day, March 12th, Girl Scout Day, March 22nd, Gryffindor Pride Day. Wow, this is surprising. I didn't even know something like Gryffindor Pride Day existed. Apparently it did. So March 31st, Crayola Crayon Day. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.